Good morning, everyone. This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Infiniti in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2026 Infiniti QX80 autograph. So, as you guys know, the QX80 autograph is the top trim, and it is a very, very nice luxury SUV. I recently made a video on the QX80 Sport, which is a new trim level for the 2026 model year, but the autograph, of course, is still the highest trim level. The autograph will give you this really nice steering. This steering wheel also comes in the sensory. I don't know if they still make the sensory, but yeah, the Sport and the autograph trims with the nice leather horn pad. The Lux and the Pure won't have this leather horn pad. And you have the monolith screen system with 3 screens, which you find in all the QX80s, of course. You have ventilated seats, heated seats, and you also have massaging seats, wireless charging tray, big cup holders, and you also have a center console, which can also be cooled, which is pretty awesome. I love that. That's a luxurious feature. The seats are very, very comfortable in the QX80. Infiniti says they use like zero gravity technology for these seats, and they feel fantastic. You also have the camera system for the rearview mirror. You have a panoramic sunroof, and you have the amazing Klipsch reference Premier sound system with the speaker grills around the headrest, which I really, really like. It's a really good sound system. 2026 QX80 autograph, 4-wheel drive, 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo with 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission, 8,500 pounds max towing capacity, 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels. This monolith style displays are 14.3 inches, 9-inch lower front touchscreen control panel with haptic feedback right there. Haptic feedback is when you press something, it'll give you feedback that you touched it. It's like a little vibration or tap. 17 miles per gallon combined, 16 city, 19 highway, which is not too bad for considering the size of this SUV. But yeah, like, it's a very, very comfortable vehicle, and I really like this car. But let's walk around and see what it looks like. You have fixed running boards. They're not retractable, and I love the door sills with the Infiniti light up logo. It looks really high end. Black exterior on this one. Really cool daytime running lights on this vehicle, and the Infiniti logo also is lit up. Even in the daytime you can't really see it though, but at nighttime you can clearly see it. I just love the way this QX80 looks. I just really, really like it. And the rear seats are really, really nice too. The autograph will give you the screen in the back for heated and ventilated seats, seat adjustment. For the rear passengers with giant center console storage again, and cup holders. So yeah, this is a very luxurious SUV. Like, you can be chauffeured around this if you wanted to. It's good for all passengers. And I love the rear of the vehicle. I love the taillights. They look awesome. The autograph will give you like the black chrome badges. I think the Sport does too. And the third row, with the third row up, you do have less cargo space, obviously, but otherwise it's pretty good. What is that? Is that like a Infiniti duffel bag? That's kind of cool. Or a little suitcase kind of thing. I like that. Yeah, it's a good looking SUV. Let's get it out on the road. And obviously the interior is very quiet with the autograph. A lot of noise insulation. Like, you can literally tell when you close the door how quiet it is in here. And the steering wheel is massive. It's a giant steering wheel, which I like. For the size of the vehicle, it accelerates pretty well, considering its horsepower and torque numbers. It's pretty good. I would expect it to accelerate well too. It's very nice and quiet. The transmission responds quickly. Like, this is not one of those big SUVs where it's numb and boring to drive. This is still very nice to drive because it is a sportier engine, you know. And yeah, like as I said, it's just so comfortable. Like, the seats hold you in place really well. You have fantastic lateral support, thigh support, back support, everything. All the materials in here are really, really nice. The ride height is really cool too, like, because it's a giant SUV, you can see everything over the road. You kind of feel like the king of the road whenever you drive something like this. That's what I like about these giant SUVs. And it really does look good. I just love the design of this car. The new Nissan Armada also has a very similar interior, except the Armada doesn't have the third screen, even if you get the Platinum Reserve, because obviously the QX80 is a luxury version of the Armada, so that makes sense that they do have an extra screen in this one. And I love how it says Infiniti over there, and I like this these trim pieces. I don't know what you would call this though. It's not wood, at least, yeah, I don't know what it is, but it looks good. And you also have the pilot assist in here, sort of like for lane keep assist and everything. It'll like track your eyes, and also when you use your adaptive cruise control features and everything like that, it'll help you. The steering wheel is so big. It's probably one of the biggest steering wheels I've seen in a car in a while. But it's fitting for this car. Also, I like the Alcantara headliner. That's nice too. And you can change your drive modes here. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. I like the sound of the engine. It does have a synthetic sound through the speakers, but I don't really care. I think it sounds good either way. To make it sound sportier. A lot of cars have that these days, but I mean, at the end of the day, as long as it sounds good, I like it. And you also have paddle shifters if you would like to use those as well. But I don't think most people who get a QX80 are really going to be using these paddle shifters all that much. It's not really the kind of vehicle in which you're going to be using paddles and taking around corners in a spirited manner. This is like a giant luxury cruiser, and it definitely does a good job of that. As I mentioned, it's on the sportier side, which is good because it doesn't feel like it has a ton of body roll or doesn't feel like a school bus. It feels well planted for being this big of an SUV. It mixes comfort and sportiness very well, in my opinion. It does a good job of that. We are now returned to Grubbs Infiniti. So that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching another video, Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new or certified pre-owned QX80.